Hey there, garden lovers. Today I'm sharing 7 essential tips to keep your garden thriving during a drought. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, mulch, mulch, mulch. Mulching helps retain moisture in the soil, reducing the amount of water your plants need. Use organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or even grass clippings. In the Southwest, where temperatures soar, mulching is a game changer. Tip number 2, choose drought-tolerant plants. Succulents, lavender, and sage are fantastic options that can withstand dry conditions. In Mediterranean climates, these plants don't just survive, they thrive. Tip number 3, water deeply and infrequently. This encourages roots to grow deeper into the soil, making plants more drought resistant. In regions like the Midwest, aim to water early in the morning or late in the evening to minimize evaporation. Tip number 4, use drip irrigation. Drip systems deliver water directly to the plant's roots, reducing waste. If you're gardening in the Pacific Northwest, where rain is sparse in summer, this method is super efficient. Tip number 5, collect rainwater. Install rain barrels to capture whatever rain does fall. It's a sustainable way to water your garden, especially in arid regions like the Southwest. Tip number 6, group plants with similar water needs together. This way, you avoid overwatering some plants while underwatering others. In the humid Southeast, this tactic helps manage different plant requirements efficiently. Tip number 7, improve your soil. Adding compost or organic matter enhances soil structure, making it better at retaining moisture. This is crucial in the arid West, where soil quality can vary. So there you have it, 7 tips to help your garden not just survive, but thrive during a drought. Remember, every drop counts, and with these strategies, your garden will stay lush and vibrant, even in the driest times. Happy gardening, everyone! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. See you next time.